You're welcome to another tutorial. Today we'll be talking about discount. As usual, before I solve an example, I would like to explain the topic. I know you might have been hearing of discount. So what is this discount all about? Discount is defined from the screen. From what I've written, discount is defined as the amount of money reduced from the original price. The amount of money reduced from the original price of an item. This original price can sometimes be referred as mark price. Okay, so we say that discount is the amount of money reduced from the original price of an item. Let's take Jumia. If you're a Nigerian, you know Jumia or Konga. And if you're an American or you're a Nigerian, you know AliExpress or Amazon. Okay. In Nigeria, November to December is the time that Jumia or Konga do their Black Friday. That time, all the prices of goods will be slashed down. If an Android phone's price is 100,000, for example, so during the Black Friday, all the prices of the goods or item they have in their store will be slashed down. In other words, will be reduced. So instead of them to say 100,000, so in order for them to make more profit, the prices have to reduce. Let's say like they might have to sell the phone at 5,000 naira, isn't it? So there's been a deduction in price. That reduction in price is what we know as discount. Okay, discount. Okay, let's solve one example so you get a better understanding of it. For more clarity, let me clear this space. Example 1. Example 1. The question: the marked price of a school shoe is 1,500. A 10% discount. A 10% discount is given for cash deposit. What is the cash price of the shoe? What is the cash price of the shoe? Okay, before you solve any question, you must first get a good understanding of the question so that you won't have errors in your calculations. Okay, then solution. Let me pick red color. The marked price, which is something as well. What did I say marked price was? So the marked price, something as well. Original price of the item, isn't it? So the marked price, which is original price of the item before the discount was placed. So the marked price, always bring out a parameter as a mass before you solve. The marked price is what? 1,500. And a discount of how many percent was given? A discount of 10%. Isn't it? Of 10% was given. A discount is given for cash deposit. If you want to buy the school shoe, if you want to pay cash, they will remove 10% discount for you. The shop owner or the shopkeeper or the seller of the shoe will remove a 10% discount for whoever wants to pay in cash. So we are now asked to find the cash price of the shoe. The cash price of the shoe, that is the once the shoe's original price was what? The shoe's original price was 1,500, isn't it? Then I say, okay, if you pay cash, if you have money cash to pay, we'll remove 10% for you. So that means you remove 10% from this one. So the money that is left is a price that the person paid, the buyer paid. So how are we going to do that now? That means we'll find what? We'll find 10% of the 1.5, isn't it? They'll now subtract, because the money has to be reduced. The original price was 1.5, so if they subtract 10%, the money is supposed to reduce, not increase. So we'll now say 10% of what? Of 1,500, which is like tithes if you're a Christian. So 10%, 10 over 100, that's 10%, right? Times 1,500 over 1, isn't it? So let me do my cancellation. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. So 1 times 150 is 150. So 10% of the original price is what? Is 150. Does that mean that person paid 150? No. This 10% was removed, right? So let's remove the 10%. This 150 now subtract it. Subtract it from the original price to know how much person will pay. Let me reduce the screen size so I can have space to solve. Okay. Now, the discount is what? The discount is what? How much? How much was removed? 150. So if you remove 150 from 1.5, how much remain? So 1,500 minus 150. This is naira, right? 0. Can 0 remove 5? You take away 1, come 10. 10 remove 5 is 5. 4 remove 1 is 3. So 1,350. So the person will pay 1,350 naira instead of paying 1.5. 1.5, and the person will not pay 1,350 because it was given a 10% discount. Okay, so that's how to solve percentage discount. So let's head over to example 2 for better comprehension. Let me wipe it. Example 2. This one is a bit tricky, but you're gonna love it. So the example 2. A medical student paid 5,600 for a textbook, right? He paid, always bring out the parameters. He paid how much? He paid 5,600 for a textbook. Okay, the book was sold at a discount of 8%. That means the shop owner or the shopkeeper sold the book 5,600 naira. He has already removed the discount of 8% before he now sold it for this guy 5,600. This was not the original price of the book, because according to the question, the book was sold at a discount. That means the shopkeeper sold the book for the price of 5,600. He has already removed the 8% discount. So this 5,600 is the discounted price. What is the marked price? That means original price. We are asked for the original price. That means this 5,600 wasn't the original price. This wasn't the original price of the book. So we are asked for the original price, right? So from the question, we have a discount of what? Discount of 8%. That means they remove 8% from the original price. They now subtracted the discount, then they now sold it for 5,600. It's like saying I went to meet my friend. They're saying textbook. He's one of the bookshop, and I said, okay, he's my friend. Just remove 8% discount for me because I'm your friend. They will know how to balance up later. So he agreed to that, and he moved 8% discount for me. He then gave me 5,600. You get? So this 5,600 wasn't the original price because my friend removed 8%. Okay, so you now say, okay, I'll remove 8% for you. Now give me. So what was that original price before you removed the 8%? That's what you're asked to find. So how do you go about that? Let me reduce the size. How do you go about that? First, we have a discount of what? Of 8%. And so now, if I buy a book, not this one, let me use another book, for example, 100 naira, right? Okay, let me use 100 naira. Let me use another number. If I buy a book for 700 naira, okay, this 700 naira is 100%, so I paid 100%. 700 naira, so I paid 100% for the book, isn't it? But if you check from the question, from this our question, they remove 8%. That means this is not the 100%. So that means if they remove 8%, that means this one now will be what? That means this one will be what? 100 minus 8%. So which is 92%. That means this 5,600 naira is what? Is 92%, because the original price or the marked price is 100%. Don't forget, marked price. Marked price is always 100. That's the original price, 100% without deduction, 100%. So now this 5,600, because they say 8%, they remove 8% for the now. They remove 8% from original price. So the remaining one was the price, discounted price. So now 90% is the 92% is the 5/6. So if 90% is 5/6, first of all, before you can sell something in bulk, you have to know the price of one, isn't it? So I have 92%. So how do I get one? Now say if 5,600 is 92%, then 1% will be what? Because if I can get 1%, then I cannot get 100%. You understand? Know the price of one. We first know the price of one car before you can say 100 of the same car. So we don't know the price of one. So let's know 1% first before we can know 100%, because we are asked to look for the marked price, which is 100%. So I'll do for 1%. I'll not say less and be y. Cross multiply. Now 5,600 is equal to what? 92y, isn't it? Divided by 92. So my y is what now? That means my 1% to be what? My 1% to be 60.8. 60.8. Therefore 1% equals to 60.8. 60.8 naira. That's my 1%, isn't it? So now that I've got to 1%, to be easy to solve, I put my 1%, so I can look for the 100% by cross multiplying. Okay, let me reduce the size. So and I say if 1% is equals to 60.8 naira. So and I say the 100% will be 100%. That is the original price. 100% to be what? Will be x. Cross multiply. And I say 1 times x is 1. 100 times 60 is what? 100 times 60.8 will be what? 1 times x is x. 100 times 6.8 will be what? If you multiply it with, you have 60, 80. You get? Now how are you going to know if you are correct? Simple. Let's see. A medical student paid 5,600 naira, isn't it? That is not the 100%. He paid this because the shopkeeper removed 8%, so he now paid this, right? So the original amount before the discount was removed, the original amount will be bigger than when it was discounted, right? So now see how I get to know if you are correct. My original price is what now? My original price is 6,000, which was bigger than the discounted price, because discounted price said they've removed 8%, so that means I'm right. So see it. So that's example 2. So let's solve a more difficult question. Now let's check this question. Wow, this look complex. The marked price of a packet of Maggi cube is 16,500 naira. Marked price, remember that's the original price. Okay, solution. You're given the original price. Original price, which is what? Which is 16,500 500. If it is to be sold at a cost of 12, that means they have no discount. So this is the discounted price. So discount price. So the discount price is how much? Is 12,000 naira. Now we're asked to calculate the percentage discount to the nearest whole number. So we're looking for the discount percentage discount. Let me clear to have more space. So we are asked to find the percentage discount. Now, percentage discount, this is the formula. Percentage discount, discount. Percentage discount. Sorry for that, my drawing software is giving me a problem. It's crashing, I don't know why. So percentage discount is what? Is discount over the original price, then times 100. Remember, you're giving a discount of what? You're giving a discount of 12,000 naira from the question. 12,000. The original price was what? Original price 16,500, isn't it? Then times 100. So let's do this together. 0 cancel 0, 0 here cancel 0 here. So 120 times 100 will give you 12,000. So divided by 165. So 12,000 divided by 165. That is what? Making a calculator. 12,000 divided by 165. It will give me 72. To give me 72.73%. So this is the percentage discount. Okay, but the question we are asked to find into the nearest whole number. Whole number is the number before the decimal. This whole number, nearest whole number. So check. 7 is a number that is more than 5. I ask to round off. If it's from 5 upward, you turn to 1. So this 7 will turn to 1. So it will now be 73%. Okay, 73%. So that is all. I'll give you some problem here to solve some exercises. So as you can see on the screen, try this exercise, try them out. They are very simple. They are similar to the ones I've solved. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. See you some other time.